Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone keyboard switching to number in iOS 15. Solution number 1. Select Haptic Touch from fast to slow. First go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on Accessibility. On the next page, click on Touch. Now click on Haptic Touch. If fast is selected, select slow. Solution number 2. Reset keyboard dictionary. Go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on General. Click on Transfer or Reset Dictionary. Click on Reset. Select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Next, enter your iPhone passcode. Click Reset Dictionary to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Disable Slide to Type. Go to Settings app on your iPhone. Next, click on General. Click on Keyboard. Turn off Slide to Type if it's on. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.